Dickie Toys and Garbage Truck Review. Okay, it is trash day.
Yeah.
Yay! So we got to pick up all the trash. Let's pick up all the trash on the ground and put it into the what?
A dump.
The dumpster. Okay, where's the dumpster?
Right here.
Cool. And you're going to put it in there. And then what do we do? What do we do? We put it on this and we dump the trash out into the garbage truck. And then the garbage truck dumps the trash out from the back. Wow. That is a lot of trash. So I wanted to get on here and show y'all that Hunter is playing with his neat recycling truck today. We got this on Amazon.
I meant Walmart.
And it is one of his favorites. It's his most loved. It's probably between these two. Both garbage trucks, and he loves them. So we are playing Trash Day. One of our favorite days. Yeah. So we are picking up little pieces of trash, putting it into the dumpster, and the garbage truck is going to pick it up. Beep, beep, beep. You want to push a button? Go beep, beep, beep. Yeah, let's get a better view over here. Here we go. Oh, how cool. All that trash in there. There it goes. Dumping all the trash out. Cleaning up the environment. You got it? There you go. Now it's got to put it back down to go pick up some more trash. We really love this garbage truck. It's like the perfect size for 2.5, 3-year-old. And then of course he has like bigger ones over here, but this was the perfect size. I think we got it when he just turned 2 and he's 3 now. It has, can you show them the buttons? Show them the buttons, what it does. Oh, it lights up. Oh, and it makes sound. That's starting the engine. And then this one makes this go up and down. Yeah, that's cool. And then there's this one right here. It dumps the trash out. Yeah, it opens up the door and it dumps all the trash out. Woo!
Hey, we need to do that.
Oh, yes, we do. And then we got to pick up the trash. Really neat. He loves it. He has loved it for a year now. And worth every penny. I'll have to see how much it costs. I think it was in between $25 and $40.
Mama,
yes.
You pick up all the recycling.
The recycling?
Yeah, you pick up recycling.
Okay, and which truck do you want me to use with it? That one?
Okay. I got you dab it to put
okay.
on.
Okay.
We put.
I'm gonna gather up all the trash. There you go. That's a lot of trash.
Look.
Whoa. I see. Where are you gonna put it?
Here.
Into the truck?
Okay, my baby pea.
Baby pieces. They are baby pieces.
We need to pick baby bee.
Okay. That's a good idea. Yeah, we're going to pretend it fits on there. Yeah. And this is a good one. This one we got at Target. And they have several of these different trucks. They have, I forgot the brand, but we just love all trucks, huh? Can't y'all tell? Look at all the trucks over there.
With a paw piggy.
Puzzle pieces? Oh yeah, we got to take those out because those don't really fit that well in there. That's okay. There we go. Pop. They popped out. Okay, can you roll it? It's gonna smash it.
No.
No?
There's more paw piggy.
Hold on. So you're gonna go get trash. So we kind of keep all of his trash cans that we've gotten with other garbage trucks all together. So some of them kind of look different and some of them are alike, but we like to use all of them all the time. You got it? Okay. So he's gonna put the trash into the dumpster. There you go. What do we say? It's trash day. There it goes. Is it in there? Let's check. Yep, there it is. Smash that garbage up. You gotta turn it.
No, I put the cat in.
You gonna put the trash in? So this is the little knob that we use to turn and smash all the trash inside, and then it smashes in there, and then the trash comes out of here, and then we do it all over again. So we love this truck also. It has lights and starts the engine, and you can open the door. The door is kind of flimsy on this truck, so I think this is our second one that we've gotten of this exact truck, and the last one, the door broke easily, so you just got to be careful with that. I think his age had a lot to do with it too, though. And then here's a little compartment for a trash can that you can keep in there. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, Hunter, you want to turn to everyone and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Next time.
Say, watch my video.
Watch my video.